honey.
Wait, I'm gaming.
But I just found this in the mail.
What the f? Alright, let's look at this guy. Hey, what's going on guys? FG Tech here, welcome back to my channel. So, as you saw from the intro, I just got this mic from Amazon. I paid it less than $20. I'll leave the link down below as usual for you guys. This is the YouMic, it's a lavalier microphone, therefore an omnidirectional one. The great advantage of the lavalier is that getting the mic as close as possible to the source is really what impacts on the sound quality and clarity. So it's basically very useful for interviews, for YouTube and whatever. This one has an incredible long cable. In fact, as we can read here from the box, it's 12 feet long, so it should be more or less 4 meters. But pay attention because there is also a 5 feet version of this same product. You can use it basically for anything. It says here for iPhone and smartphone, but yeah, basically you can use for everything, so laptops, but also DSLR. So let's quickly unbox this and see what's included. First of all, user's guide. Seems like a sticker. Comes with this pouch. Alright, so we can see already that the cord is extremely long. It comes with its clip here. And we can see here it comes with a black wind muff. But here there seems to be also a red one. So let's open this. Oh, actually you have two additional ones, a red one and a black one. We also have this very useful converter. So this adapter is basically allowing you to use this mic also with the DSLR. So a very good thing about these microphones is that there are no batteries at all or drivers needed to work with an iPhone or Android or tablet or whatever. So you just need to plug it in, plug the jack, 3.5, the usual one, and start re-recording your voice. Obviously, if you're using a smartphone, you plug it in, you record your voice, and then in order to hear your video, you need to plug it off. So, as I said, this is a lavalier microphone. So lavalier, basically it's a term that was originally referred to jewelry in the past, in the form of a pendant worn around the neck. So now let's look at the sound quality of this lavalier microphone, and let's compare it with the built-in audio from my smartphone. I'm currently using an Samsung S10, so let's see which will be the best. I still have the microphone in my hands here, so you're currently listening to the built-in microphone from my smartphone. Test 1 2 3. Test 1 2 3. And now let's plug this in. And you are now listening to the audio from the YouMic connected to my smartphone. Test 1 2 3. Test 1 2 3. I'm back now to the built-in microphone. I stepped 1 meter away from my smartphone. So let's do this additional test from 1 meter of distance. Test 1 2 3. Test 1 2 3. Same test done with the YouMic. 1 meter distance. Test 1 2 3. Test 1 2 3. So guys, what else to say? I've been using this microphone since a week now, and I'm totally surprised by the quality. This is the third lavalier I try, and this is by far the best. I think for more or less $20 it's a great deal, also because comes with this adapter, very useful, and these two additional replacement WMAFs. So I think I'll be using these most of the times for YouTube videos, and I will probably do a comparison next time with the shotgun microphone. You can check, for example, my review of the Boya shotgun microphone here, and I'll be uploading soon this new video for comparison. That's all for today, guys. I hope this video was useful. Please leave me thumbs up so YouTube will know that this video was interesting, and leave any comments in case you have any questions for me, and please make sure to subscribe in the logo here. Alright, thank you, and see you in the next video.